What's up, OMG Nation? It is Wednesday night. It is the second Wednesday of the month, so you know what that means. HOG Chapter meeting night. And tonight, we're having it over here at Party Fowl in Franklin, Tennessee. It's a hot chicken restaurant, and it's good. It's real good. Go in here, get some hot chicken, and sweat my head off. We usually do it out here. Look, there's already people here. Half the crew's already here. I guess I'll find a spot to park. Right in there is where I'm going. Looks good to me.
What's up, guys?
What's going on? I feel like I haven't seen you forever.
Probably been a couple of months. Last month, everybody was off out west, and the month before that, this damn corona just kind of played hell on the whole year.
Yep. All right, I'm gonna switch camera angles. All right, I switched camera angles and picked up two people. You wanna film? All right, Kai wants to film. What's in your, what is that?
What is that?
There's a scratch on my leg. What is this?
This is a natural hot catfish po' boy.
That sounds like me, po' boy.
Po' boy, yep. After you buy a Harley, what are you? Po' boy.
Yeah. All right, so we ordered nachos. But if you guys haven't been to Party Fowl before, this is the outside. Can I finish filming? My camera guy wants to film. But I was in the mood of saying something to everybody.
Nice to meet you, Jerry.
Do you mind?
New guy.
Just trying to get some of this quality footage.
Party Crashers is my favorite.
Hey, how are your fries?
Wait. Before Kim speaks, I just want to say anything that comes out of Kim or Tina's mouth about me in my past is a lie. Okay? Anything.
It's not a lie. For the bartender, it's true.
It's a lie. That's what it is. So I get that over with now. Begin.
502 360.
I gotta get that Sure. What you doing, man? Which one you on? 502-333.
502-418.
All right. 502-435. All right, so a little bit of HOG Chapter. I am headed home.
Oh, good. Have a good.
Don, you have a good one too.
Ride safe.
Thank you. You ride safe too, brother. All right, we're gonna switch camera views. All right. How about this camera angle right here? I'm gonna leave my shield up. I put the other GoPro inside of the swing arm bag. Only because I just didn't want that. What did I just do? What happened? So Party Fowl, hot chicken. I ended up not getting hot chicken. Mrs. OMG wanted nachos And she said she'd buy, so hey, I'm down with that. She could buy it. So we got nachos, and then she left and stuck me with the bill. She tricked me. So that was funny. Not really. Oh my gosh. I don't know if, I feel like my headlight is not as bright as it used to be for some reason. I'm not positive on that. I don't know if it's just if my shield is dirty or what. I'm gonna stop right here. I'm not gonna run that. I can't run red lights at night or ever. You know, we don't do that. We don't break any laws. So one of the things that I noticed, if you guys have watched any of my first impression test ride videos of these new Harley Davidsons, man, I love the mirrors. I love the stock mirrors. And I know I say this a lot, I don't like this little small mirror. I can't see anything. I feel like I have to adjust it all the time. And it's not because it's moving, it's just because I can never get it where I want it. I want to be able to see a little bit behind me, and I want to be able to see the road and the driver next to me. But it seems like I have to change them all the time. And I noticed it on those new Harleys, the stock mirrors so big. When I had the black line and it came with the stock mirrors, I want to say I changed those mirrors out within 30 days. So I know that they were the same type of mirror, but I changed them out to some type of little teardrop flame looking mirror, and it wasn't as small as this one right here, but it was a little bit smaller. And I think at this point in my life I might just be over small mirrors. I think I would rather see the people, the lunatics riding beside me and behind me, just to make sure that these people actually see me and that they're going to stop. So maybe that has weighed heavily on my current thought process on mirrors right here. Side view. I guess the rear view would be right here. That's what I should do. Put a little I just made myself laugh before I even told you guys. Put a little thing right here, hang it down in the mirror, rear view mirror. Anyways, that's enough for this episode. I'll leave you guys on that. I appreciate you watching today's episode. Hit that like button if you have not already, and you like this kind of motorcycle content, please consider subscribing. And remember, life doesn't make you happy, happiness makes your life. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Look, I've got...
Oh, stall.